Hi guys, welcome to my channel Ash Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So if you remember these Ben Bardis that had not rooted some time back, I was about to put them in the rain gutter, but then I noticed that the rain gutter soil was wet, so I did not add them because they did not have roots at that point of time. So I just kept them on the dry surface. I basically kept them on the table so that they do not come in contact with any moisture or water. But now after a few days they have started to put out the first roots. As you can see, we have one and we have two. Now these are white because they were in indirect bright light. They were not coming in contact with any direct sunlight, so they have these beautiful white roots. So I'm very excited. Now very soon I will be planting them, so because they're all ready. And then I have some guaides as well that I had done cuttings probably a week back, and you can see they have also started to put out a lot of roots. Now these were getting a little bit of morning sunlight, that's why they are slightly pink in color, but you can see the roots are looking fantastic. This one has a majority of roots and they'll all look very healthy. So all of these were separated. Even this one, the tiny one, also has roots. So basically this was a clump that I had separated. It was there with me for a very long time, so they were not doing quite well together as a clump, so I had to separate it. I was quite worried because they were dehydrated as well, but nevertheless they did put out the roots, and in fact they have put out really healthy roots. So it's time to put them in individual pots, and so I will have to prepare some soil. I do have some empty pots. Probably in a day or so I will be putting them into the soil. And let's see how it tends to work out. So guys, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep planting.